Today we are making this easy 3-ingredient peanut butter fudge. It is one of our most popular recipes. You can get the link in the description below. Let's get started. Use 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and add in your white chocolate chips. Then we're going to microwave this until the chips are melted. Stir until well mixed. Then you're going to add in your peanut butter. If you use peanut butter, you don't need to add the butter. Then pour into a greased pan. Put this in the refrigerator until firm for a couple of hours, and then we're going to cut it. After it is set up a couple of hours in the fridge, it'll be quite firm. You might have to try a couple of different knives to see which works best. I find these small thin knives work, but you can also use a plastic knife. That works well also. Cut it into equal pieces and serve. If you want to eat better and spend less, please check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Go to livingonadime.com. This recipe is in the link in the description below.